You're not going to fool me again. Honestly, I thought it was bugs. Cubby! Cubby! Cubby!
Mason, here, go! Victor! Out! Go, Victor!
Cubby!